Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question English 2018 question number 15. In questions 14 to 21, choose the option nearest the meaning to the underlined. The underlined here is for all he cared, the game was as good as lost. Options: A, he did not care if the game was lost. B, he could not care less if the game was lost. C, he was almost certain that the game would be lost. D, he was afraid the game would be lost. Now, whenever you hear the word "for all I cared" or "for all he cared," that word simply means that you don't care. This word "for all he cared," and when you say "for all I cared," it simply means you don't care. So here you could see he did not care. This already makes this very similar to this. So the game was as good as lost. He did not care if the game was lost. So it does not really he did not really care. So option A is actually the right answer. Now, looking at other options, he could not care less if the game was lost. No. He was almost certain the game. No. He wasn't certain, but he did not care. For all he cared. He was afraid the game. There's nothing like being afraid here. For all he cared simply means that he did not care whether the game was lost or not. So option A is the right answer for this. So what you are taking home is that whenever you hear the word "for all I care" or "for all he cared," that simply means you don't care, or he doesn't care, or something like that. So option A is the right answer. Thank you.